चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम So, first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the feet of my spiritual master, Nityalila Vishnupada. Ashtutara Sapasri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavananda Sri Maharaj and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad. Ashtutara Sapasri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavananda Sri Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus Vedanta Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruvendra Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Dr. Siddhar Goswami Bhaktivinoda Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all devotional Vaishnavis, and presently all of my respectful guests. So yesterday we also discussed that Krishna stopped the worship to whom? Indra. Indra. Just a minute. Then Krishna worshipped Giriraj Govardhan. Yesterday I told very briefly, because this time mic was not working. So, and then Krishna told the Brajavasis all to take prasad and do Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. According to the instruction of Krishna, Brajavasis and Nanda, Jasoda, Upananda, all the eldest person in Braj, and thousand Brajavasis, they perform Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. Dancing, singing very nicely, and also took Mahaprasad. Brajavasis, they completely absorbed in this. Isti Sarajaraga, Param Avishpagavit, Tanoito Bhavadhusa, Ragatmika, Karita. Ragatmik joy, this spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Actually, they perform Giriraj Govardhan by singing what things? That Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. They absorb Krishna. All their activities here for the pleasure of Krishna. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti Krishna Hare Yadava Then night time they return back their home. So much prasadam. I told all Brajavasi, they cooked many kinds of preparation. So all Brajavasi, they took Giriraj Govardhan Mahaprasad. And so no need to cook night time. Huh? So, because too much overeating. So, Brajavasis, residents of Braj, they return back their home and sleep. Here, one associate of Nanda, Indra, Indra's Anuchar. Anuchar means spy. Spy, understand? What is spy? Yes? Who is taking the information? This guy. Indra, one spy came in Braj, the Sir. Brajavasis, they did not worship Indra. They worship one stone mountain. And then he gave information to King Indra. Heavenly Supper. That time, Indra, he was staying with his wife. What is the name of wife? Sachi Devi, Indrani. Big assembly house, and all demigods, they are very nice, beautiful. They are dancing, singing is going on there. And they are drinking what? Baruni. One kind of special, what is called? Drink. Not the wine. Drink. Right?
Not wine?
Not wine.
No wine.
Special drink. That's called baruni. Or a nectar, amrit. And many themselves, Urvashi, in heavenly planet, there are many dancers are there. They are expert to how to dance. This thing. And nice dancing, singing, all they are completely intoxicated with a nice dancing, singing. Big party going on, you know. In this material world, Western countries, party going on. In the restaurant, big restaurant, and also singing, many kinds of singer. Maybe our Prabhu is going. What is his name? Ding, 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 they are did you know?
Hi-fi.
Hi-fi. Very nice hi-fi is going on. There is nothing. But in heavenly planet you cannot believe what kinds of their celebration is going on. Very nice, beautiful utsav. Very high-fi. Hi-fi is nothing. Really, I can get it.
What is high-five?
Party.
This is a high-fi.
Disco. Disco
dance. Yeah, disco dance. Dancing, singing. Very nice. All because there are no rules and regulations. All rules and regulation is where? In this material world. And heavenly planet, actual sun, also demigod, they follow the rules and regulation. Mostly they also not following the rules and regulation. And sub hi-fi shabda.
For us, not high-fi, for us is Panchatattva.
So now coming in this way, is going on this way. Indra is taking bath and laying on a very nice, beautiful Sinhasan throne, and also his wife Sachi Devi is there, and many Manaka, Urvashi, that were dancers there. You cannot believe they are dancing is nothing. You cannot understand what kinds of they are dancing, singing. And many Gandharvas, Gandharva James, they were singer, very strict. One song they are singing, just one line, hour, maybe 1 hour. story. One place declared the one very popular and famous singer is coming. And ticket cost Indian money 10,000 rupees per person. How much?
5.
10,000 rupees. Very expensive. About $300 per person. Big hall. How many people can go? Only 1,000 people can the capacity, chair capacity. So this famous singer is coming. So for this jagah, all the high-fi people, high-class people, they bought their ticket. And within couple days, all ticket already sold. No rooms. General people cannot go. All the high-class people, high-class means you are very richest businessmen, that these men, aristocracy people, high-fi people, they bought the ticket. And that hall completely got packed. 1,000 people, completely. Time is what? 9 p.m. to, with the famous singer, his people are coming and putting the different instruments, harmonium, mridanga, mridanga they not use, tabla, and also tambul, sita, and also what is called this?
Prepare.
One day these are very nice beautiful sound come.
Afinando o instrumento.
Language understand. And many times. Then they are also they also putting the instruments. How many? 1 hour. How many past? 10 o'clock. Then after 10 o'clock, then the some people coming and taking harmonium with it, just they are not singing, just also there.
Play.
Tired. How many? 1 hour. So now what time now? 11. People are doing 7 o'clock, they arrive. All the 7 o'clock. Now 11 o'clock. How many hours? 4 hours sitting. But still, main singer yet not arrived. 11, 15, the people are there. So what happened? Ticket cost is 10,000 rupees and $300. We have come here 3 hours ago. Okay, so maybe 11:30 and the main 11 o'clock. Then who is the what is called the manager? What is called? No, who is
Introducer.
no? Who is already travel with the main singer?
Produce. Assistant.
Assistant. Then assistant taking the harmonium or some instruction and people coming for singing the main singer. And okay, then now 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Now main singer has come. Then main singer taking the harmonium. Then people are thinking, actually this what is coming? Come. The people are thinking they're thinking, come. Then people are saying, hey, singer, what are you saying? How many people are coming? Already your all ticket sold out. Look, here are the 1,000 people, 1,000 seats. So how people Actually this is clear. Many tunes are there, you know. Those who are singer, tune, melody, they sing. Sare sare ga 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 pa 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 pa. Sare ga ma pa da ni ni. This. Ga 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 ga. Then, in this way, 1 hour, then 1 a.m. Okay, still people are keep patient. Listen. Then 1 a.m. Then main singer, what is singing? Rajkumari chale 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 chale. Rajkumari chale 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 chale. Rajkumari German, that the singer is singing the princess. She is rendezvous understand? So, what is the rendezvous? To meet with her lover. And for this regard, this song is explained this way, that the princess, midnight, she is going to meet with her lover. For this regard, the Bengali, this song is saying, Rajkumari chale 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 chale, Rajkumari chale 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 chale. Rajkumari, 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 Rajkumari. Chale, 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 chale. Hey Rajkumari, chale, 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 chale. Chale, 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 chale. Rajkumari, chale, 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 chale. Chale, 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 chale. One line, Rajkumari princess. She is going to meet with her lover. So many tunes, you know. Answer different up, down, udatta, unudatta. Then now how many hours? Now 3 o'clock. Then 3 o'clock, one line, just she is singing. Rajkumari, 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 Rajkumari. Chali, 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 chali. Now 3 o'clock. Oh, now about the Brahma. So she cannot go. Now she has to return back her home. Sometimes men sing others singing this way also. And one line many. So in this way, in heavenly planet, and there are many kinds of dancer, singer that is called Gandharva. Understand? Gandharva, they are very expert to singing, dancing. That they are called Tarjik. Tarjik, understand? Those who are very expert singing, dancing and playing. They are called Tarjik. And actually in this material world people are singing that there's some that very sprinkle of their things is coming. For this regard, in this material world, we are saying, oh, he is nice singer, great singer, we are saying. Actually, if you go, have it a which place? Gandharva Lok. You cannot believe how they are singing. In Gandharva Lok, where is the Gandharva Lok? This is Bhulok, Prithvi Lok. After Prithvi Lok, then Bhuvalok. After Bhuvalok, then place is called Gandharva Lok. After Gandharva Lok, that is called Sargaloka, heavenly planet. So then in Gandharva Loka, that kinds of, that singer, dancer, that's what they are called, what did he say? Tarjik. They are very expert, dancing, singing and playing different kinds of instruments. And that is who is the topmost Tarjik. That is his name is Tamburi Rishi. what Rupa Goswami Pad mentioned in his Grantha. When Krishna played the flute, what kinds of sound, melody coming? Even the Tamburi Rishi, who is expert, all kinds of melodies, and he could not understand. And then his head started to spinning. What kinds of? And sometimes we also discuss about Venu Madhurya, sweetness, the sound of the flute. What is the sweetness sound of the flute? Just the very symbolic word, what is called? Clean. But what kinds of sweet melody is there? You cannot understand. Kalam Jagu Bam Disa Mano Haram. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told him, Maharaj Parikshit, when Krishna played the flute, just what the sound coming?
Clean.
About Bija Mantra, actually Bija Mantra. Krishna Mantra or Gayatri Bija Mantra. Bija means the seed of the mantra. You are chanting but you don't know. But what kinds of power is active? When Krishna played this thing, clean, Kalam Jagu Bam Disa Manu Haram, called law E, Chandrabindi and Mo. 4 letters in there. You can read my Gopi Git after explain this way. So Tamburi Rishi, who is very expert about the Tarjik, dancing, singing, and playing all kinds of instruments. All kinds of instruments. Even his head started spinning. But what kinds of sound coming? Not only this, in the what is called? Lower planets. Nag, says Nag, his head started spinning also. But what kinds of sound is coming? Rupa Goswami Pad explained, what is the sound of the flute of Govinda? Govinda Venudhani. When Krishna played the flute, this sound is going to where? Heavenly planet. And heavenly planet, that time the very nice, beautiful young dancers, they are going to plucking the flowers of Parijat flowers. In the meantime, this sound of flute, Govinda flute is coming. And that time, automatically their hand start to shake. And all the flowers from their hand falling in the lotus feet of Govinda. And sometimes they cannot to control their clothes and these things. You cannot imagine what is the meaning of clean sabda, clean words. You are every day chanting. What is the meaning of clean? When one day you realize it, but then understand. Or this is first is what the Om, or Om. Then this is what the fruit is coming, Om to coming, more modified, that is called clean sabda. Clean words out there. Called Kalam Jagu Bam Disa Manu Haram. So now coming in this way, just return back in this way. Indra, he is drinking, or drinking? One kind of special drink. That is called Baz. And his wife, Indrani there, many dancers, Manaka, Urvashi, and also many, what is called? Gandharva. They are there dancing. Actual main singer who is there? Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika's name is called also Gandharvika.
Yes.
Gandharvika. Sri Guru Gaurango Gandharvika. And all kinds of singer and everything is actually come to Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, Radhika, her name is called Gandharvika. So now coming in this way, Indra, he said, and dancing and singing, Manaka, Urvashi, they are dancing, singing different melodies, many kinds of dancers. In the meantime, the spy of Indra, he came and he told, and whispered, and whispering in the ears of Indra. Hey Indra Maharaj, you don't know what happened. What happened? Brajavasis, they stopped to your worship. आपका पूजा बंद कर दिया. Understand? They worship to you. They worship one stone or mountain. Indra told, hey, Pagal. Maybe you drank too much alcohol. How possible? Stop my puja. It is impossible. I am the king of heaven. Sarga ke Raja. I am the king of heaven. How possible? Brajavasis, they are completely a rural person. They have no education qualifications. Herding the cows, drinking the milk, they have no good dress. Completely what? What is it called? What person? Over? No, Virgin? What is the English? Aborigine person. Those who are staying in the jungle. Virgin. How they have power? Who gave it? I don't believe. Maybe you are wrong information. And okay, go another person. Another person fails. Another person says yes. So Brajavasis, they did not worship Krishna, they worship Giriraj Govardhan. Then second person, spy of Indra, informed to him, Maharaj, Brajavasis, they did not worship one black boy. Completely what? Stupid nonsense. But that boy, only 7 years old. But he is running behind the girls. Characterless.
Sem caráter.
Stupid nonsense boy. Nonsense boy. Not going to school, college, nothing. Chasing behind the girls. And stealing the clothes. Not only this, his many qualifications. What is qualification? All bad qualifications. He is a thief.
Liar.
Liar. This type of qualification, that boy, he told, you no need worship Indra. Worship? One stone, Giriraj. One stone. And stop. Then all Brajavasis, okay. They are foolish. Murk. Foolish person following the foolish person. Okay. And I will give heavy chastisement. They dishonor to me. I am the king of heaven. All demigods, they are performing their duties under my order. All they are doing everything. Are now covered by Brajavasis. They have no knowledge. Even they 80 years old, they have no knowledge. They have no one kinds of teeth. How many teeth have you? Do you know? How many teeth have you?
32.
32. But you know, this is very end of the your gum, this side corner. That teeth is coming very later. Maybe 30 teeth is coming. But last 2 teeth, this side, they are coming very later. So in the same way, Brajavasis, they have not knowledge. Though they are 80 years old, but still they are teeth. That is called, what is called? Wisdom teeth not coming. You know wisdom teeth? And all our teeth coming, and one again they also broke and new teeth coming. So teeth is one name is called. Called is what?
Wisdom.
Eh? Our older teeth. When new teeth come, when the baby, the teeth, they broke. Eh? Then new teeth come. Eh?
Permanent.
But the wisdom teeth, they are coming very later. Brajavasi, they are the same. Though they are 80 years old, they have no general knowledge. Eh? Okay, I will give heavy punishment. Brajavasi. They understand who am I. Eh? Then midnight no, about Brahma Muhurta. Then Indra called his one cloud, named is Samvartak Meg. Samvartak Meg, Samvartak cloud, one kind of cloud is called when the everything will be about to destroy, destruction. That's that what is called Mahapralaya. And that time Samvartak cloud coming and he also destroyed everything. Heavy rain, coming. Very quick, destroyed. Like sometimes also Japan, some village, heavy rain, flood, and thousands towns and completely what? You have seen sometimes? They are showing the TV. Every year, Japan, and every year thousand people die. And all cars also floating in the water and going to the ocean. Every year, just couple of days before all this, they also massive. Many houses and also land, what is called landslide. Landslide in that. So Indra, he said, okay, I will give heavy punishment to Brahma. He told to the Samvartak, you go. Completely destroy the bridge, full of water. Nare bas, navali basuri. There is no bamboo, no one can play the flute. Go. Then according to instruction of King Indra, Maharaj Indra gave instruction. So Samvartak made them in that cloud. Very early Brahma and a big storm coming. Heavy storm. First is a storm. Big storm. And sky completely what? Dark. Completely dark. And sometimes also lightning. Lightning is. Sometimes crushing the cloud. Then Brajavasi they afraid. All Brajavasis, they came in the house of Nanda Maharaj. Hey Nanda Maharaj, what will you do now? Your son Krishna told to us to stop Indra Puja. Now Indra, he become very angry to us. Now he will be destroy whole Braj. Look, the sky completely dark cloud, and some lightning, and sometimes rain also, big drops. What to do now? Nanda Maharaj, he came out from his room and saw, is it true? Big storm, most of the trees about to fall down. Because storm, many trees, their leaves almost falling down. And cows, they are making sound. Ma, ma. All afraid. Krishna, 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 Mahabharata. Then all Brajavasi, then Nanda Maharaj is what will do. Krishna is Bhagavan. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna thinking, oh, Indra, you don't know who am I? I am the same Bhagavan, I am the Supreme Personality of Godhead. I gave you position, Indra position. Who gave you Indra position? He got Indra position, the king of heaven, I gave him. Or now you try to disturb my Brajavasis. Eh? Or you want to take worship from my Parikar, asset Parikar. Huh? I will give heavy chest. I will give sitting on heavy chest. कितना है? Then Krishna is doing this human being Leela. When all the Brajavasis come in the courtyards of Nanda Maharaj and they also crying, hey Nanda Maharaj, please save us. We stop worship Indra Puja. Now Indra is giving so much disturbance to us. All will die. Nanda. In the same time, Krishna he came. Krishna told, hey Brajavasis, don't worry. Our Giriraj Govardhan, he will say to us, because our Ishtadev, who is our Ishtadev? Pursued ladies in Braj? Bala. Balo Giriraj Maharaj ki Jai. Giriraj not in the stone. Giriraj is our Ishtadeva Bhagavan. Then Krishna told, come, everybody come on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan with your wealth. Brajavasi, wealth is what? Cows. Bring all you. Then Krishna, when Krishna told this, they have so much faith with Krishna. Then all Brajavasis, they brought all their cows, calves, everything. Then Krishna come on the middle of the Giriraj Govardhan. Just touch his hand. They automatically Giriraj Govardhan going up. As like umbrella. Or as like what? Mushroom? You know what a mushroom? As like the umbrella going up. Then Krishna told, hey Brajavasis, bring all your oils, cows and enter in this place. So Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan with his left hand and pinky, small finger. And all Brajavasis they came. Emergency period. Especially Srimati Radhika, so many years hankering how to direct meet with Govinda. Now is what? Emergency period. So all young girls very close to Krishna. Give an example. You are traveling in bus. If bus many seats are open, nobody sits. Nobody in the bus. Maybe one or two girls are there, for many some there. You cannot sit by force, the girls are sitting. There is electric. But when bus completely packed, then also both girls in here, don't one complain. Do you understand? In the same way now, emergency period. So all Brajavasis are with there also by force. For Srimati Radhika, before she was very far from Krishna, and now she is very close to Krishna. Bala Govinda ki jai, Radharani ki jai. And Srimati Radhika is very happy, very close to take darshan to Govinda. Before she took darshan to Govinda, very far. Not easy to come to Krishna, because all her superiors criticize. Hey, Krishna is male, you are female. Should not, could not stay together. Go this side, this side, this side. But when emergency period, just I give an example is bus. Understand? Then is what to do. You can. That time James, very young, you everybody were act right, check this. Understand? Very close. Bus is going, Indian bus. Up, down, everything you are completely full. Brazil bus I saw, Indian bus same also. Sometimes you are
What dry chickpeas? Dry chickpeas. Is it dry chickpeas?
what is your fat fish? Yeah, they are very close. Yeah, they are yes. Huh? Try to understand philosophy. Huh? So now Srimati Radhika very close to Govinda. No one can criticize. Krishna literally did Govardhan. Look, there is Srimati Radhika. Huh? Very close to Srimati Krishna, not. Huh? No one can criticize. Even her mother-in-law, father-in-law, Jyotila Kunda cannot say anything. Huh? Because when Imanji Road and everybody go to one bus, you say, oh, this is the real person. Okay, don't go. Then you miss the bus. Then after 3 hours, another bus will come. Then another bus also crowd back. So how to go? So we have to go. Understand? China sometimes is showing that people cannot go. Then the police pushing the train. Go. Sometimes showing to or not. Sometimes you can see the TV they are showing. So in the same way, now Srimati Radhika very close to Krishna and very close to take darshan to Govinda darshan. Govina nanat prasitatanam gopi sangha britam. Now all gopis are very close to Krishna and taking darshan to Varaha Viranara Prabhu. Karna Karnikaram Vibrata Vasa Pranakunya Vaintamaram Rangana Venada Sudaya Purana Govindai Vrindavanam Savaramanam Pravishadigirti. How beautiful form of Govinda darshan. All the gopis now very happy. Indra made disturbance the Braj, but gopis are very happy. Why? Because now they are very close to their beloved Govinda. Sama Sundar Sikhanda Sikhas Mirahas Murali Manohar Radhika Simon Kripan Sapriya Charana Kim Karim Kuru. How beautiful is. So now coming in this way, 7 days, 7 nights. And that is inside is your Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna lifted them, so that is your. And very nice, many kinds of gems. Gems. Many kinds of, what is called? Ornaments, different kinds of corals. So automatically you are shining, no need to electricity, nothing. That time no electricity, nothing. But automatically the place completely illuminated. And they are not feeling any cold and not feeling any what? Completely nice, beautiful air condition. Yes, air condition. And they are very happy and dancing, singing, glorify Krishna Nam. Govinda Damo Dharma Bhaveti Govinda Damo Dharma Bhaveti Govinda Damo Dharma Bhaveti Govinda Damo Dharma Bhaveti Govinda Damo all they are singing, dancing, very happy. Because now they are very close to Mother Yashoda Sita. Oh my son, daily, so many hours, raise his hand, so much pain. This is called the parental modes, Matri Bhava, Vatsala Bhava. So, Sakhas, the friends of Krishna, they also have put some bamboo stick. Because we can help. Not only Krishna, we also help. So, Sakhas of Krishna, they put one more bamboo stick. You see? Look this. They also put the bamboo stick and then hold it. But Srimati Radhika said nothing. Then Srimati Radhika with her glance saying, Hey Giriraj Govardhan, don't This of my beloved Govinda. And you have to pull it up. Don't give your what is called weight on the finger of Krishna. Actually, Krishna did not holding the Giriraj Govardhan, just doing this. Actually, who is holding the Giriraj Govardhan? Huh? Srimati Radhika. How? With her runs into a glance. But how possible? But you cannot understand with your material brain. Srimati Radhika, actually, Srimati Radhika, she holds the Giriraj Govardhan with her glance. Because Srimati Radhika is Shakti. Sometimes we see the quarreling of what is called Suk and Sari. Suk is papagai, male and female. Male papagai is taking the side of Krishna, or female papagai she is taking the side of Radhika. That's it. Suk bole amar Krishna giridhare chila, Sari bole amar Radha shakti sancharilo, naile parve keno. That is a Bengali song, you see. One soup, that means pick up. Parrot. Parrot, he told, hey, listen. Hey? My Krishna, he hold Giriraj Govardhan. And that time female parrot, hey, stop, you gave long lecture, sit down. You don't know anything. Actual, my Swami is Srimati Radhika, my mistress, Srimati Radhika, she gave all his potency. What is regard? Krishna externally lifted Giriraj Govardhan. This is true. Without power, you cannot do anything. If you have body is no power, then you are. This is true. If you have no energy, energy means Shakti, power. You cannot do anything. Every day take what is it? Energy tablet. Vitamin C. Actually, this Shakti means power. Krishna, he is called Shaktiman, but Shakti is coming from where? Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, she parrot, she told. Actually, Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan externally. Actually, my Swami mistress, Srimati Radhika, she hold Giriraj Govardhan. Bala Giriraj Maharaj ki jai. Sometimes also Krishna, a Krishna's friend Subhasana, they quarreled with Krishna. Hey, Krishna later, do you know who am I? Well, who are you? I, Bhagavan, I lifted Giriraj Govardhan. Then Subhasana said, hey, how possible? You did not Giriraj, you did not hold Giriraj Govardhan alone. Also we support. Support means took the bamboo and helped you. We helped, but you got the name fame, credit. Understand? We helped you, and all credit you got. Krishna told, okay, listen. Okay, you hold. Giriraj Govardhan. Okay, you support. Then Krishna told, he is Suvalsida, many hours. I am lifting Giriraj Govardhan. Okay, so a little bit down my hand. Then when Krishna little bit down his hand, little bit, maybe 1 millicentimeter. How? Very little. Then Giriraj Govardhan going down. Then all the bamboos stick of Suvalsida, they bend and put, they completely bend. And the Giriraj Govardhan start to shake. Then all the friends of Krishna, Krishna, in Giriraj Govardhan, and all will become what?
Chapati.
All will become chirwa. Flat rice. Rice, they are the humming, and they will. Giriraj Govardhan, this Giriraj Govardhan, how big. Here also this mountain, just you this mountain. Just imagine, So how is Giriraj? If Giriraj will fall down, then all Brajavasi will become his what?
Puri.
Chapati puri to, you know, puri to little bit also pop, not possible pop. Puri not. Chapati also not. What? Fried rice. You ate fried rice or not? Yes. Finish. So all the way to Krishna. Then Krishna, when Giriraj goes to set, then Srimati Radhika told, "Hey Giriraj! And again you make disturbance. My beloved Govinda. Then I will give curse to you. Then Giriraj told, "Hey Srimati, hey Samini, Srimati Radhika. No, I will not disturb you. I am not doing. Your beloved Govinda and his friends, they are joking. This is not my fault. And Krishna just yourself.
Millimeter.
1 millimeter or 1 centimeter. Just let down his leg. Then all friends will sit down, all their stick, bamboo stick completely hurt. Bolo Giriraj Maharaj. Very nice, beautiful Giriraj going on there. Now we come in this way. Samvartak make that cloud. 7 days, 7 nights. Heavy rain, day and night. Day and night, as you do. Then Indra told Samvartak, cloud, he turned back to heaven and told to, "Hey King Indra, Mandra Maharaj, now all Braj completely what? Flooded. Nothing. Completely full of water." Then Indra told, Indra thinks, "Oh, this is too much." Then Indra sent his spy. You know spy? Guptachar. Then spy little bit far. Notice Braj. Braj completely full of water. Understand? So he came and gave message to Indra. "Maharaj, Braj completely what? Flooded. No Brijavasi, no house, nothing. No trees, nothing I saw. Maybe he saw his wife. Maybe one pond." Understand? Or lagoon. Lake. He thinking this is Braj and complete.
Ele olhou e só viu lago.
Then in the drinking, no, should not believe one person give message. Should be another person. You should not believe one person say you cannot believe. Should be second. Okay. Then another spy of Indra, he came and he saw blood, a Braj completely what? Dry, full of dust. No one drop of water in there. Actually, that Samvartak cloud, he hearing Giriraj Govardhan and Lord Shiva with his trident put in there. And also Sudarshan Chakra. And when the water coming, then all water is one vapor and going. And Lord Shiva, he also helped. And also other Puran, different Puranas explain, even Vasudev Nam, Vasuki Nam, complete around the Giriraj Govardhan. And all water coming, then Agastya Rishi, he drank all water. And different Puran, different Kalpa Hedasu Harikatha, different Kalpa, different also Harikatha. Leela is going on this way. And when the Vishnu Chakravarti, that means Lord Shivji, he just stops to it. For this reason, that Lord name, Shivji's name is called Chakreshwar Mahadev. By Braj language, they are called Chakreshwar. And Chakra Ishwar Chakreshwar. Then Lord Shiv, he also stops to the Vishnu Chakra. So now coming in this way, the second spy of Indra, when he came, he saw the Braj completely what? Dry. No water, no one drop of water in Braj. Nothing. And Brajavasi, they are very happy. And dancing, singing under the Giriraj Govardhan. And then he gave information to Indra. Hey Maharaj, and you criticize that the boy, 7 years old Krishna, he is not an ordinary boy. He lifted Giriraj Govardhan. And 21 kilometers Giriraj Govardhan he lifted. 7 years, 7 days, 7 nights. And Indra became very surprised. Indra himself came, sit on his career, what is career name? Airavat, elephant. And so, still Brajavasis, they are dancing, singing under Giriraj Govardhan. And he noticed how Krishna lifted Giriraj. That time Indra, afraid, Indra realized, oh, Krishna is not ordinary. Indra, he used many harsh words. Srimad Bhagavatam. Baliso Bacha. Pandita Bhimanina. But Sudha Saraswati explained different meaning. Sudha Saraswati is pure knowledge. God is of knowledge. Sudha Saraswati. So now coming in this way. Baliso Bacha. Pandit Abhimanina. Balis means you. Man means completely, those who are completely innocent. The Sanskrit word is called Balis. Bacha, those who are speaking too much. Who is speaking too much? Babies. Baby, whole day speaking. In the same way, Krishna is Balis and Bacha. Speak too much. Pandita Abhimanina. Krishna is thinking, I am the Supreme. But Shuddha, because this is the abusing words of Indra. But Shuddha Saraswati, pure knowledge of the bodies. Shuddha Saraswati, different meanings. So now, because all Ved, Puran, Upanishad coming from where? Krishna. Krishna is the Supreme Lord. So now coming in this way, Indra he realized, oh, I committed offense to the feet of Krishna, who is the Supreme Person. I was thinking he was an ordinary person, covered God. Krishna is not ordinary covered God. And Nanda, Jasoda, and all the set of Krishna, they are not ordinary. They are Krishna Nitya Parikar eternal. That means I committed offense to the feet of Krishna and his passage. What will do now? Soon I lose my position. If you committed offense to the feet of Lord, then you lose your position. Then Indra thinks, what will do now? Then Indra very quickly came, Brahmalok, Satyaloka, and told to Brahmaji, hey Brahmaji, save me. Big problem has come in my life. Maybe soon I lose my position, Indra position. And Indra he told to Brahmaji, I was thinking, Krishna, he is an ordinary cover boy, but he is 7 days, 7 nights, he lifted Giriraj Govardhan. Then Brahmaji told Indra, yes, once I also committed this type of offenses of life. Once I was thinking Krishna he is an ordinary cover boy. But later I realized he is Bhagavan. That katha is called Brahmo Vimohan Lila Katha. This thing. Then Indra told, what to do now? Then Brahmaji told, hey Indra, Krishna is very merciful. He is an Bhagavan. He has Ananta and innumerable qualities. But one quality is called Chamagun. Chamagun is what is it? Forgiveness. Our Vedas is forgiveness is a great virtue. Khama param dharma. Forgiveness is the great virtue. Krishna has this qualification. If anybody committed offenses lotus feet and surrender to his lotus feet, he will go. He will forgive. Forgiveness is the best qualification. Though you committed offense, I know, because I have experience. But listen, you don't go direct meet with Krishna and ask for forgiveness. You go Krishna's very nearest and dearest person, and take shelter in his lotus feet. Then she will bring to Krishna. Then Krishna will be happy. Give an example. Maybe one person, you don't know one person, but your friend, bring that the person, unknown person to your house, you will be give respect and open your house and give asana. But same person, unknown person will come, you will not open your door. This one, this person, completely unknown, he has come to your house, want to talk with you. Just you close your door and small call. Who are you? Where you come? What you need? You tell me. You don't know. Maybe he is dapped or thief. Who don't know? You will not open your door because he is completely what? Unknown person. But same unknown person come with your friend. Then you will also respect your friend, also respect this unknown person. This is the etiquette or not? Bala Vrindavan Vihari Lal. So in the same way, Brahmaji, he gave very nice conclusion, Siddhanta. Brahmaji told Indra, listen, you don't go direct to Krishna. Ask for forgiveness. You have to go with Krishna, very nearest and dearest person. But who is Krishna's nearest and dearest person? Who? Bale Surabhi Gomata ki. Krishna, he loves to whom?
Surabhi.
Cow. Let's pronounce it. Namo Brahmana Devaya, O Brahmana Devaya cha, Jagadevaya Krishnaya, Govindaya Namo Namah. Look, Krishna is very nearest and dearest. Cow. Which cow? Gomata. Surabhi. Cow is our mother. Some Christian, what is it called? Priest. After Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, you can listen the dialogue between the priest, Christian priest and Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. Hey, why Hindus they are against the killing the cows? Cow's meat is very nice, very tasteful, delicious. We are eating. So why Hindus people they also against those are killing the cows and eating the meat, cow meat. That time Swami Maharaj very nicely explained this way. You read this, you listen that dialogue. Internet you go, you take very nice. Sai was not listening to listen. We have five, no? How many mothers? 7 mothers. Understand? Janmadata, Bhayatrata, Jasyakanna, Vivahita. This is Niti Shastra. So cows, among these cows, among the 5 mothers, cows, she also is our mother. She gives milk. Mother nourishment her baby with her milk. So cow, she is our mother. A bull, he is our father. And Niti Shastra explains this. Not only this, Hindus they believe all the demigods, they are staying that every, what is called? Pores of the cows. And 33 crore devatas. And 33 crores devatas. They are staying in the body of cows. You should not kill the cows. Cows is your mother. How possible you kill your mother and eat her flesh? Huh? If your mother will become old, okay, some people are saying, okay, when the cow will be old, then kill. So then question is coming, when your mother will become old, then you kill your mother and eat her flesh. Then stupid nonsense person can say this. Bhaktivedanta Swami told me. Then cow is our mother. So should not kill the cow. Gohatta Mahatta. And Vedas also saying this way. You should not kill the cows. Gohatta, Brahmahatta. Gohatta means killing the cows. Killing the Brahmanas. That is a Mahapapi. Gohatta, Matrihatta, Strihatta. Strihatta means killing the wife. You cannot kill your wife. You cannot kill your babies, sister. Brahmahatta. Should not kill the Brahmanas, Brahmahatta. Vedas many people. So how is it that because Surabhi, Gomata, she is very near and dearest of Krishna. So Brahmaji, he told, hey Indra, you take shelter, lotus feet of Surabhi. And Surabhi, she will bring to Krishna. And you are offenders, but Surabhi, she is very near and dearest person. If you offend, if you go direct, then that person will be angry. But who is very near and dear to that person, if you take shelter and go with him, that time his automatically anger reduces. And with love and affection, maybe you will talk with him. And then all your offense will be solved. In the same way, Indra, he took shelter on lotus feet of Surabhi and Kama. Indra completely hold the lotus feet of Surabhi, Gomata and Kama. Then Krishna very pleased. But with this Leela, Krishna very pleased with what? Krishna, actually he did not please with Brahmaji. But Krishna very pleased with Indra. Why? Though Indra committed offense lotus feet of Krishna, but Krishna is thinking, oh, Indra, he did this situation to destroy my grudge. For this regard, I lifted Giriraj Govardhan, and gopis are very coming close to him. And gopis are very happy. For this regard, Krishna very pleased. Then Indra did many stops Kruti to Krishna. Then Indra, he worshipped to Krishna. In that place, that is called lap of Giriraj Govardhan, that is called Govinda Kunda. And Indra gave this name to Krishna. What is his name? Govinda. Govinda Titi Govinda. Go means senses. Go means cows. Go means gopis. Go means Vedas. Bindati Anandati. Then Krishna, he gives pleasure to gopis and all the living entities. Actually, he gave this name to Indra gave this name to Krishna. What is his name? Govinda. Govind, Om Govindaya Namaha. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala. Adhara Namadi Dhadi. Giridhari Shambhanu Hare. Hare Huh? And tomorrow they are saying what else? Dance also tomorrow. Actually today what she is saying not completely prepared. So tomorrow evening fire sacrifice and dance. Answer. What then? Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache Govinda. Tiny brother.
Didi, no?
What?
About Bunya that you were saying yesterday, now.
Okay, you morning, when you morning walk, coming, that will ask. Okay.
Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai, jai Shri Radhe. Yashoma